Hey YouTubers, we'll do the unboxing of the dashcam MG300k Plus. Bought it from Yellow Price. So that's the box. It has it's saying micro SD, but it's just a standard SD card. Supposed to be full HD, not sure. G sensor, wide angle, I think it's 154 degree. It has a super capacitor. So let's see what's in the box. That's the user manual. Full HD vehicle camcorder. USB cable. Power wire, I think it's a 10 footer if I remember what I saw. Bought it from eBay from Yellow Price. Suction cup. 300 degree. You can turn it, record to your left side, right side, in front, in the back. Now the dash cam. As you can see, it's not very big. Protecting cap here. (14 megapixel lens, all glass elements, 1080p full HD. SD slot already put in, sorry, didn't came with it, so I'll come back later and give a review of how it's working and image quality, so stay tuned.